Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class,
Warahmatullahi
how are you?
I'm fine.
Come back with me again, Miss Annie, your English teacher in 11th grade. Yeah. Okay, let's start our lesson by praying together. Start now. Begin. Dennis. Today, before we start the lesson, it's better for you to fill the form in your presence to getting your attendance list. Maybe you can write your attendance list in Google Form. It's enough? Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm finished.
Okay, can you remember what is the last meeting from the last week? Okay, it's right?
Yes, I think it's right.
Yeah, the last
Yes.
meeting,
Great,
the
ma'am.
last meeting, it's in last week. We discussed about invitation. Today, we will talk about the analytical exposition. But before we discuss more, I will give you the aim of the lesson, tujuan pembelajaran. I want you to know how to differentiate between the social function of the text and the generic structure of the text. Gitu. Let me know how to analyze, how to differentiate about the social function. About analytical exposition, please wait for a moment.
Yes. Maybe the
Yes.
kayu, ma'am.
Yes. Is that analytical exposition? From the first, I want you to know metaphora. There are two pictures. Yeah. You can inform the topic of the pictures. Mbak Eva, Mbak Badria?
Cycling is fun.
Yes, thank you. Pictures, I want you to make the topic, or you write down your topic in your exercise for the next. Yeah. The definition of analytical exposition, an essay of the type known as analytical exposition, or a form that relies on argument. So, analytical exposition can be called as the argument exposition. We can conclude about argument text. Okay, and the next function is to persuade. Persuade, ya, membujuk ya. Jadi after we read the text, we feel ya to do something, gitu ya. To persuade the reader or listener that there is something. The reader on the listener on the audience is the next generic structure. Yeah. What about the generic structure of analytical exposition? On the first, thesis. What is thesis? You can read it. Yeah. Thesis is the outline of argument to be presented. Outline. Outline itu kalimat utama yang akan kita bahas nanti, gitu kan ya. In this stage usually indicates a preview of argument. It introduces the topic that show the speaker's or writer's position. It's about thesis. That's right. It's clear for you. The argument is the text that consists about point and elaboration. Lah ini pentingnya ya. It's important about the text based on the argument.
Belum keluar.
Berdasarkan argumen ini. Ya. Maybe any question about argument, Mbak Eva, Mbak Badria? Number of point itu bisa bervariasi, ya. But meskipun bervariasi, tetap fokus pada supported, ya. Supported by discussion and evidence. Harus ada bukti. It's clear for you?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Hello.
It's clear for me.
Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Yeah, it's clear about
Yeah, I think it's clear, ma'am.
The next, about rhetorician. We can call rhetorician restatement, conclusion, menguatkan kita, ya, menguatkan kita in the light of argument presented, menguatkan kita, memberi penjelasan pada kita terhadap argumen yang kita ucapkan. Harus ada bukti-buktinya tadi begitu, ya. Terus it restate the speaker on the writer's position. Okay, and the next, up to the generic structure. Maybe any question? Any question from the generic structure? Sudah clear. Oh, memang.
No.
Oh no, yeah. You good job. Yes. The next about language feature. About language feature. What is language feature? The first, by using relational process, menggunakan proses yang saling berhubungan. The next, using internal conjunction. Ya, conjunction, kata sambung, ya kata sambung secara internal yang bisa menghubungkan kalimat satu dengan yang lain, yang bisa berkesinambungan secara holistik. Using causal conjunction, using simple present dan lain. The next, using compound and complex sentence, menggunakan kalimat majmuk. Ya, kalimat majmuk bisa kalimat majmuk bersetara, gitu ya. The next, use words that link argument. Jadi menggunakan argumen-argumen penghubung seperti firstly, secondly, gitu kan ya. Such as ini. Firstly, secondly, and reasoning through causal conjunction such as in addition, furthermore, and however. The next, ini ya, using emotive word. What is emotive word? Adalah kata-kata yang menggunakan perasaan kita. Ya,
yang berhubungan dengan emosi.
Ya. He fell in love. Dia jatuh cinta. Ya. He fell in love with him. Ada emotifnya di situ ya. Oke, the next. What's that quality statement? Kata-kata yang memberi kualitas tertentu. Probably, usual, ya, certainly, ya. Yang underline-nya itu ya. Gitu. The next, ini bisa menekankan kualitas dari pernyataan kita gitu. That's right. You understand?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, the next, what's that link argument? Menggunakan firstly, however, and for, ya. The next, about connector, menggunakan connector, bisa menggunakan firstly, first, moreover, secondly, ya, and so on. The next about concluding, in conclusion. Summarizing itu menyimpulkan juga, jadi bisa menggunakan kalimat yang concluding, bisa menggunakan yang summarizing. In short, in a word, in brief, in sum of, ya. Up to this, there any question? It is the example of analytical exposition text. Yeah, you can read it, and if you have read it, you can discuss this topic. Yeah, and so you can answer the question, just 5 questions, yeah. But before that, I will divide you in 2 groups. Yeah, please make a group. In this class, divide into groups. It's about ini. Answer the question. Please answer the question. Just 5 the question based on the text that should car be banned from the city. You can write down your answer in your paper, and so you take picture in your classroom.
Yes.
Okay? Yes, it's clear?
Okay,
2 text.
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Write down your topic in your paper, and so take picture in your classroom.
It's clear.
I'm
interested with
your metaphor,
Yes.
Ma. Every good conversation starts with good listening.
Yeah. Okay, class. I think it's all for this lesson today. For the closing of the lesson, I want you to give reflection. What is reflection? Write down in your paper and so submit it in your Google Classroom. It's clear? Any other question from this metaphora? Before I close this lesson, I will lead you to praying together. Let's praying together. Start now. See you, thank you, and good luck for you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.